Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, and this video is all about the new Umidigi A3S and Umidigi A3X, two budget smartphones from Umidigi running Android 10, which is the current and latest version of Android. Now I'm looking forward to receiving the actual phones themselves in hopefully about a month from now, but in the meantime Umidigi asked me to make this video to introduce the phones to you, and also to let you know about a sale they have going on and a giveaway. Umidigi is giving away 5 Umidigi A3Ss, so make sure to enter into that giveaway if you want to. I'll be linking that in the video description. Another awesome thing too is that the Umidigi S and Umidigi X are both going on sale on December 9th. The normal retail price for the Umidigi A3S is $79.99, but with this sale you can buy it for $59.99 over on AliExpress, and the Umidigi A3X has a retail price of $93.32, but as part of this sale, you can buy it for $69.99. So definitely make sure to take advantage of that sale over on AliExpress, and again, I do have the links to these devices in the video description. Now, there are a lot of similarities between these two devices. The biggest difference is that the A3S has a smaller display with no notch at the top, and with the A3X, you do get a notch. So you get an 18:9 aspect ratio with the Umidigi A3S, and then with the Umidigi A3X, you get a 19:9 aspect ratio. In addition to that, with the A3S, you're getting 2 GB of RAM, and with the A3X, you're getting 3 GB of RAM. But beyond that, all of the other specifications are exactly the same. So with the phones, you're getting a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, then on the rear, you're getting a 16 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel secondary camera. I guess there is one other difference I forgot to mention. With the Umidigi A3S, you get a 3950 mAh internal battery, and with the Umidigi A3S, you get a 3300 mAh internal battery. But both phones feature 16 gigabytes of internal storage, and they also both feature the MediaTek Helio A22 processor. So definitely some lower end specs when it comes to the processor, and especially with the Umidigi A3S, with it having 2 gigabytes of RAM. But you have to keep in mind how good of a deal that you're getting with both of these devices, especially if you decide to purchase the Umidigi A3S for just $59.99. It is incredible that you can get a phone with Android 10 at that low of a price tag. Now again, you can participate in these deals if you decide to buy the device between December 9th and 13th. So definitely mark your calendar for that. That's going to be in just a few days from now. Beyond that though, you're getting a 720p display with both devices. Then of course on the rear, you're getting the dual camera setup, so you are getting portrait mode. You're also getting the flash. You're getting a fingerprint sensor on the rear of both phones as well, which is very impressive because a lot of phones that are this inexpensive do not feature a fingerprint sensor. Then on the left side of the phone, you are getting a dual SIM card slot with an SD card slot as well, and you're getting a 3.5mm headphone jack with the devices. And you're also getting a micro USB port. So no USB-C, unfortunately. You are getting micro USB, but at this price point, that's pretty much to be expected. So typically when Umidigi announces new devices, I always make introduction videos about this, and then I actually get the phones as soon as I can. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I hope you enjoyed this video introducing the Umidigi A3S and Umidigi A3X. If you have any questions about either of the two phones, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know your thoughts about them, and again, make sure to check out the links in the video description. But this is Kevin here. Hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day.